Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons are elapsed time, time units, find start and end time, and then we'll do the final test of the chapter. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 6 maths. The chapter is time. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is elapsed time. Find the elapsed time. Start 4 a.m. and end at 6:30 a.m. Basically, you have to calculate the elapsed time between these two times. So you have to subtract actually 6:30 out of the 4. Got it? So from 4 to 6 it is 2 hours. Got it? And then from 6 to 6:30 it is 30 minutes. So that means the elapsed time, total elapsed time is 2 hours 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, the next one is find the elapsed time. You have to subtract the end time out of the start time. So end time is 12 and it would be 12. So from 10 to 12 it would be 2 hours. Got it? That means the elapsed time is 2 hours. Got it? Just start with the practice questions. Okay, find the elapsed time 3:30 to 4:45. Got it? So when you start from 3:30 to 4:45, let me just write down. Okay, so from 3:30 to 4:30, it will be 1 hour. Got it? And from 4:30 to 4:45, there it is 15 minutes. So that means the total elapsed time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Got it? You can find a lesson on grade 6 maths. Chapter name is time, and the very first lesson that will be elapsed time. Follow the instructions. Go to grade 6 maths. Find the chapter time here. Okay, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you have to find the elapsed time. Got it? So 10 to 11 we have just 1 hour and 0 minute. Got it? So it would be 1 hour and 0 minute. Got it? Okay, find the elapsed time. 11:30 to 12, which is the correct option. From 11:30 to 12 you have just 30 minutes. Got it? That means that elapsed time is 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, find the elapsed time 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So which is the elapsed time? Yes, again from 11 to 11:30 they are again 30 minutes. Got it? The correct option is 30 minutes. Okay, find the elapsed time 8:45 to 10. So which is the correct option? Let's just start with 8:45 and 8:45 to 9:45 you have just 1 hour. Got it? So from 9:45 to 10 you have just 15 minutes. Got it? That means the total time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Got it? Yes, the second option is the correct one. Okay, 4:30 to 5:15 a.m. So which is the correct option? So from 4:30 till 5, from 4:30 till, it would be just 45 minutes. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. You have 0 hours and 45 minutes. Got it? Because when you start from 4:30 to until 5, you have just 30 minutes, and 15 minutes makes 45 minutes. So it would be just 45 minutes. Okay, elapsed time from 4 till 6:30. So which is the correct option? From 4 to 6 it would be. So from 4 to 6 it is 2 hours, and then you have 30 minutes, so it would be 2 hours 30 minutes. Got it? Very good. Okay, from 12:30 until 4, which is the correct option? So 12:30 to 1:30 1 hour, 1:30 to 2:30 to 3:30 3 hours 30 minutes it is. Yes, very good. That would be 3 hour 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5:15 until 5:45. So which is the correct option? It would be 30 minutes. Got it? 5:15 to 45, it is just 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5:45 until 8:45. So which is the correct option? It is 3 hours and 0 minute. Got it? So the correct option is the last one. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Got it? Okay, so starting from 12:45 until 6:15. So which is the correct option? It would be 5 hours 30 minutes. Very good. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 10:45 until 11:15, which is the correct option. It would be just 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7:30 until 7:45, which is the correct option. Yes, that would be just 15 minutes. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is time units. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, how many seconds in a minute? Yes, we have 60 minutes in a second. Got it? In 1 minute you have in 1 minute you have 60 seconds. In 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Got it? So let's just start with the test questions. How many years are in a century? Which is the correct option? 80, 90, 100. It would be 100 years. Got it? In a century we have 100 years. Okay, how many months in a year? Which is the correct option? That would be 12. How many minutes in an hour? In an hour we have 60 minutes. Got it? How many days in a normal year, not a leap year? So, which is the correct option? It would be it would be 365 days in a normal year. Got it? Okay, how many whole weeks are in a year? Which is the correct option? So, in a year, how many weeks do we have? That would be 52. Very good. How many whole weeks are in a month? So, in a month, how many weeks do we have? Yes, that would be 4 weeks in a month. Just write down the answer once. How many days are in a leap year? In a leap year, we have 366 days. Got it? One more day in a leap year. Got it? How many hours are in a day? Yes, that would be 24 hours in a day. Got it? How many years in a millennium? So, which is the correct option? That would be 1000. Very good. How many seconds are in a minute? So, in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. Got it? How many years are in a decade? In a decade, you have just 10 years. Got it? Okay, how many days are in a week? Seven days in a week. How many years in a century? In a century, you have 100 years. Got it? Okay, how many days are in a normal year? In a normal year, you have 365 days. And in a leap, you have 366. How many minutes in an hour? It would be 60 minutes in an hour. Sorry. How many whole weeks are in a month? That would be 4 whole weeks in a month. How many days are in a leap year? That would be 366. Got it? The normal year has 365. Leap year always has one more day, so it would be 366. How many days are in the week? It would be 7 days a week. Got it? How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Got it? In a complete day, you have 24 hours, 12 hours day and 12 hours night. How many seconds in a minute? In 1 minute, you have 60 seconds. How many whole weeks are in a year? It would be 52. Okay. How many years in a decade? Just 10. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is find start and end time. Okay. Irene went camping with her family. They left their house by 4:30. It took 1 hour to drive to campground. When they arrived, they spent 30 minutes setting up the composite and 30 minutes cooking dinner. What time was it? Irene and her family ate dinner. Got it? You have to calculate the time they ate dinner. So he left home by 4:30 and took 1 hour to drive. So after 1 hour drive, it would be 5:30. Got it? They spent 30 minutes setting up the campsite and 30 minutes cooking dinner. Okay, so subtract. So then you have to add 2 hours. So starting from 4 hours, it would be 6:30. Let's just start with the test questions. We can do them on the board. Okay, Steven went to playground at 5:30. Got it? That means he started at 5:30. Let me just write it down on the board. 5:30. So that means he started at 5:30. Okay, then he played on the slide for 30 minutes and on swing for 30 minutes. Got it? So 5:30 and then 30 minute plus 30 minutes. So together they make 60 minutes. That means that would be 1 hour. Got it? Okay. You have to see what time was it when Steven left the playground. So started from 5:30 and he spent 30 minutes playing swing and 30 minutes something else. It was 1 hour. So that means the time is 6:30 p.m. Got it? That would be the time they eat the dinner. Left the playground. Got it? It would be 6:30. Got it? The correct option is 6:30. Leslie played a video game with three levels. It took her 1 hour to beat first, 2 hour and 30 minutes to second level. Lacey played the final level for 30 minutes on the finished game. She beat the final level and stopping by playing 5:30. What time the Lacey starts the game? So you have to calculate the time she started playing. So let's just calculate the total time. Hold on. Okay, the total time is 1 hour to beat the first level, 2 hour and 30 minutes to beat the second level, and 30 minutes to finish the game. You have to calculate the starting time. She ended at 5:30. Okay, let's just calculate time. 1 hour, 2 hour, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes makes 3 hour. 3 plus 1, 4 hour. That means he started 4 hour earlier. So he ended at 5:30. 5:30 minus 4 is 1:30. That means he started the game at 1:30. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is Rita hiked to a famous point with a beautiful view. It took 1 hour and 30 minutes to hike to the viewpoint and 1 hour to hike back. Got it? So it would be 1 hour and 30 minutes and then 1 hour took back. Rita spent 1 hour 30 minutes enjoying the view. At the top, she finished the hike at 4 p.m. What time will Rita start the hike to the viewpoint? Point. Got it? So it would be, let me just calculate. She took 1 hour 30 minutes to hike and 1 hour back. So that means the total time for hiking is 1 plus 1, 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, and Rita spent 1 hour. She spent 1 hour 30 minutes there. You have to calculate the total time. Because she finished at 4. Now just add all the time. 30 plus 30 makes 1 hour. And you have to carry 2, 3, 4. That means the total time she spent is 4 hours. Go back 4 hours to 4. That means she started at 12. Got it? Yes, the starting time is 12 p.m. Okay. On Thursday afternoon at camp, Henry played basketball and went swimming after dinner. He spent 30 minutes playing basketball and 30 minutes swimming. Dinner lasted for 30 minutes. If dinner ended at 3:30, what time did Henry start playing basketball? So which is the correct option? So you have to go back 30 minute and 30 minute, 1.5 hours. So just subtract 1 hour and 30 minute back. So that means it started at 2 p.m. Yes, that would be 2. Got it? Okay. Dakota starts a spelling test at 11. It would be 12:30. Got it? She started at 11 and he have to add 1 hour 30 minutes, so it would be at 12:30. Got it? Okay, at soccer practice on Saturday morning, Joseph's team practiced dribbling for 1 hour and practiced shooting for 30 minutes. Then they played a scrimmage game for 30 minutes before practice ended at 11:30. What time did Joseph soccer practice start? Just calculate the total time. 1 hour, 30 minute and 30 minute. That means the total time is 2 hours. Got it? It would be 9:30. Got it? You have to go back 2 hours, so it would be 9:30. Okay, Elizabeth flew from Boston to Orlando with a stop in Atlanta to switch planes. Her first flight left Boston at 10:30 a.m. and was 3 hours long. Elizabeth was in Atlanta for 2 hours and 30 minutes and her flight from Atlanta to Orlando is 1 hour 30 minutes. What time was it when Elizabeth landed on Orlando? Got it? Just calculate the total time. She started at 10:30, 3 hours long, then 2 hours 30 minutes. It would be 5 hour 30 minutes. It would be 7 hours. So you have to add. So it would be 9:30, 10:30, 3, 4, 5, 5 hours 30 minutes, 6 hours and 7 hours. Go back 7 hours, 10:30. It would be 7 p.m. Got it? It could be 5:30. The next one is Kendra starting playing video game as soon as she got from school. She played video game for 1 hour. Then it took Kendra 1 hour and 30 minutes to finish her homework. When Kendra finished her homework, it was 3:30. What time did the Kendra get home from school? Go back 2 hour 30 minutes. Got it? It would be then 1 p.m. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 6 maths. Chapter we're working on is time. Lessons we have covered are elapsed time, unit time, find start and end time, and then the final test of the chapter. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.